Got time for the local mall today. Got some Jordan releases. Those are from this weekend. Got the Cherry 13s. I've not seen this in person. 13s are so comfortable. Talking to one of my boys at work about this. They're so freaking comfortable. They do have Zoom Air in it. It does have carbon fiber, so a little stiff in the middle, but that Zoom Air makes these so comfortable. It does have a pretty wide toe box compared to some of the other J's as well. So comfy, so comfy. $2.15 for these. Suede feels extra nice. They usually use synthetic suede, but it does feel extra nice. They usually use some nice tumbled leather on the rest of it. I like these. I do like them. These are size 10, $2.15. They still got these. I would love to get one of these at the outlets. Not had a chance to stop by one this week. Hopefully later today, maybe tomorrow or Sunday. But definitely gonna try. But yeah, they do got quite a few Jordans. They're all going for retail. $185 for the All-Star weekend. Still got the 9 as well, the taxis. And I guess they came out with the mids, the black toe mids. It looks like, or the bread toe, my bad. The bread toe mids. I didn't know they came out with these. Yeah, $130 for these. Fire colorway. And then these right here, I've been saying I want these so I could wear them with like a suit and stuff. $130. It looks like they got another shipment of these because the original ones, I think they went on sale at some spots. Probably gonna regret not getting them. These are the Jordans on sale. So these have been on sale for a couple weeks now. The Bugs Bunny 8s. And they're going for what, $180? $180 did retail for what, like $210, $215 before. $130 for these. Did they drop even more? $130? That seems like such a good deal. Got the 5s down here on sale now. $180 for these. Those still go for $100. These kind of look like the mochas meet the biotechs from way back when. And I believe it is a canvas, $90. Flight cords right there. Some RMs go for $80. These go for $100 for the Spizikes. Nike sale section right here. Got a few new things. And at the retail stores we've never seen. The 270s on sale. Been seeing these a lot at the outlets. $120 for the this colorway is actually pretty freaking dope. And then these are newly on sale. $150. The Pegasus Premiums. These retail for $220, so $70 off. Oh, the Mamba slides right here. If you want to match with Dodgers gear, $20. If you want to match with Dodgers gear. And why are these? These are listed as $30. They're the same things. What the hell? Got the white ones right here for $30. $30 for the red ones. And then the Air Max Up-Tempo, the Volt colorway right here. First time we've seen these on sale. $120 for these bad boys. Not good for narrow, or not good for wide feet game, but you got narrow feet. These are freaking dope. These are dope. Yeah, $120. These retail for like $170 or so, so $50 off. Air Max 95s go for $130. Books $100. Air Max Neons right here. Classic colorway, $190 for these. A couple of the Kobe's right there. Dude, how many people are buying these? Like, really? I guess that's their Easter colorway, but that's crazy. $130. And then the Forces are $125. And do have Forces and Dunks on sale. $60? $60 at a retail location. $80 for these interesting looking ones right here. The upper is like, it's like a cloth material. Definitely interesting. Certain parts look like it's like a linen. I want to say like a linen material or something. But yeah, $80, and then those for $100. Got a Foot Locker, and they're really pushing them neon Air Maxes. Yeah, they really pushing those, dang. Jordan retro sections right here. Did I say sections? Yeah. One of my boys at work, he's like, hey, I wonder if the Lakers 4s are gonna start going crazy, because the Lakers are hooping right now. They are balling so freaking good. But yeah, they do got these right here. And this is the first time I've seen these. First time I've seen these. Is this a return? I don't know. This looks like a size 11. Like I said, 10 and a half. These are the Wolf Gray 5s. I am a huge fan of these. I did not get them. I haven't really got too many releases at all lately, but the material is so freaking nice. I'm such a fan of this leather right here. It's like a stamped. And I want to say it's not a suede. I thought it was a suede, but it's like a super soft buck leather. Yeah, that's interesting. Material is definitely interesting. Freaking love these 5s right here. Got the little shark teeth right here. Got the netting. I freaking love these. $220 for these bad boys. Still got these, but they're going for retail. Another one going for retail. And we got these. We took a look at those. And then the 6s, the salesman 6s. And then the 4s right here. Now we've been seeing these. These ain't bad, dude. Nubuck. Got some super tumbled leather. These lows not bad. $130 for these. And they got the matching mids right here. $140 is the going rate. Oh, these aren't SC. Okay, $140 for those. Then they do got these 3s down here hiding, but notice a trend. We've seen those cheaper. We see those cheaper. We've seen those cheaper at Shoe Palace right now. I believe these are the newest GT cuts right here. No price tag though. Kind of interesting. Usually they have the prices listed on everything, but the newest GT cuts right here. These look sleek as hell. Look hella sleek. Does have, what is that? Oh, it has Nike React. Nike React on the heel. Does have a air strobel unit, so it does have quite a few different cushioning technologies. They look all right. I'm not a fan of that color though. Jordan 40s right here with the strap. Jordan 40 with the strap. The 40-20. Oh, okay. Oh, so is this like a combination of the 40 and the 20? What the hell's going on here? That's crazy. That is crazy. $2 for those. And they finally got these on sale. These have been on sale at Shoe Palace for quite some time. Strangers Things foam still available. Been available since they released. $250 for those. And they do got these on sale, but I think it's like, this is preschool? It's preschool. This is a 3Y. Yeah, preschool. Jordan 1 Low OGs, normally $80, so they're $20 off. Got some Shocks. I think these are, oh no, these are going for cheap. Look at this, $60 for these Shocks. This is a grade school. Could be women's, could be a women's. It's a women's Vomero Plus, $30 off. They got a few items. I don't see nothing too crazy. Pegasus Supremes down here. Pegasus Premiums, not bad. Pegasus Premiums, 170. Vomero 18s, 30 off. I think these are women's. Yeah, women's, so 50 off. Nothing too crazy. Some of these are even on the wall and stuff. Okay, nothing too crazy. All right, next spot is Chic. And it doesn't look like they got their extra sale going on. And even despite that, their sales still better than a lot of the other stores, because we just saw this at Shoe Palace for $100. Some mids. Got some patent leather mids right here, $125. Then still got these. I can't believe they still got these. Got the 9s right here. Got the, I think these were a little bit cheaper at Shoe Palace, right? I think they were $10 cheaper there. Taxis, they got the 6s right there. They got the 5s, and then they got the Flight Clubs right here. And these tricked me again, man. I swear, I was like, are these the 6 lows, 7 lows? I don't know. I was so confused. Dang it. And they even threw the Nike Air on the back and everything. What the hell? Tatum's going for $70. I think that's the cheapest we've seen those. Got some, just like a newer one right here, go for $90. Just recently found one of these for crazy cheap at the outlet. $70 still not bad. Still like 50% off. Yeah, more than 50% off. Still got multiple Kobe's right there, Kobe 9s, Kobe 5s right here, You're the Mom, but still $2 though. Got Barclays in the all black right here. They call these the CB94s, I think. CB94s right here. These are going for $160. Hey, these look dope. Dude got the Air Max Up Tempo, aka of Tempo 95s right here. These are going for retail. Chicago colorway right here, 170. Yeah, these bad boys down to 110. Cortezes right here, 60, 65, 65 for the Forrest Gumps. I'm always going to show these, like I said, and still cheaper than a lot of other places, right? I did get it for 20% off of that, which is pretty dope. Got nylon. Got the nylon black and whites right there. 35 for the Mamba slides. Real Tree mules right there. 50 for, I think these are both Real Trees, right? Yeah. Yo, look at this. $75 for these bad boys right here. Holy crap, is this the cheapest we've seen the Vomero 18s? Maybe. Maybe this is a women's right here. 7.5. Holy crap. That is crazy, crazy cheap. 75 bucks. Man, if we had the 25 or 20% off or 25% off, I would definitely grab that. I would check for all kinds of different sizes. Still got the Air Force. These are the women's Air Forces on sale, which go up to like size 12 or something. So, yeah, I've gotten a couple of these for my kiddo. I think he's still using his jacked up pair though. The women's section. Women don't buy as many shoes as guys, right? So you do see better sales here in the women's section. Still got the Valentine's Day ones. I can see women liking these, right? These are going for $125 for the women that like that extra pink. Got these for $125. Never seen these Cortez. These are crazy. What the hell? That's crazy. $105. All white right here going for $50. This is a interesting color right here. Silver one right here as well, $60. If your girl wants like some cheapo, I don't know what are these called? Slides? Cheapo slides? Cheapo fancy, but cheapo shoes. I don't know. Look at this, 25, and then you get the second one for $10. You get two of these for $35. That's pretty freaking crazy. Do women talk about brands and stuff like that when it comes to these shoes? I don't know. I don't really know how it works. They still do got these, the Zoom 2K4s. I remember looking for different colorways of this at like Marshall's way back when, 2016 and stuff like that. I remember searching for these, and yeah, these are freaking dope, dude. These are dope. I was not able to get any for hella cheap back then. I don't know. Maybe we'll see them now. I don't know. Oh, they're not calling them the cherries anymore? My bad, I've not been paying attention to releases. The Chicagos. The Chicagos are the ones that we saw earlier. Oh yeah, these bad boys. Apparently, the Chicago, they never called these the Chicagos, did they? I don't know, I'm tripping, I don't know. Alright, I'm looking for random, look at this, what the hell, the Quantum basketball shoes. Are these just grade schools? Are these just grade schools? I didn't even know they made these in grade schools. I don't know, these are size 7, so technically it might be men's, might be grade school, I don't know. I don't think Yeezy made grade school. But yeah, these are $105, size 7 on display. They got one of these Yeezys too. I can't believe they're still going for regular price. What the hell? That's crazy. I think got 2 stores left. Then of course we gotta check this little section right here. Yo, $100, not bad. Not bad. 155 down to 100. Not as cheap as across the way, but not everybody has a chic around them. Oh, this is like the generic 270s. Curious to see how much. Oh, okay, these are 150. We saw them over there for the same price. Men's Vomero right here. These are Vomero 18s. Got these. Ooh, these are grade school women's. I think these are women's. They're super small though, but $5.74. Freaking love those. Grade school dunks. Right here, these the Gore-Tex? No, these aren't the Gore-Tex ones. Docs right here in the women's. Not the craziest though. I am a huge fan of these right here. This is a men's, and this has that reflective material all over the end right there. And I'm a fan of these. These are 100. They're starting to go on sale a little bit. Maybe I'll check the New Balance outlet, the clearance store. I meant to go there today, but my kiddo was sick from school, so I had to go pick that fool up hella early. 2002 Rs right here, not bad. It's like $55 off, not too shabby. Jordan selection right here. In the women's section, we're starting to see a lot of these go on sale. This is a Vomero Plus right here, so 180 down to 150, not bad. And then, of course, I did scout the spot for 70% off. Did not see, but yeah, 50% off hoodies and stuff. Got a lot of Nike products here. Not too bad. Not too bad. FC Barcelona jersey 50 off, so that's not bad at all. Got them in a couple sizes, and then who's this? Who's this? The Tigers? The Tigres? One of the, I don't know, Club Deporte. I don't know which league that is, so I don't know. My bad, you guys. My bad. And then they got a, is that Club America jersey right here, 50 off as well. These are smalls. And then last stop right here. Shout out to the homie UJ over there who, man, we was talking about chopping it up for a minute regarding the sneakers, finding deals and stuff like that. So definitely appreciate you. Of course, we got to check out the sales section right here. And I guess, yeah, everybody got these on sale. Just try to find the cheapest price because everybody got them on sale. And they got plenty of sizes. Look, 8 through 13, they got all sizes. Oh, I was like, what? This on sale already? No, this the last one, I guess. Ooh, got these bad boys. Buy for next year. Buy for next year. Because I got the Manoa. Yeah, the Manoa boots right there. Box Solutions. These just never get no love. What the hell are these? Angel Reese shoes already on sale. They were talking about how those have been doing so well and stuff. I guess not. Evo SL's on sale, I guess, a little bit. The Huarache trainer, like, that's what I've been saying. Like, they do have plenty of sales, but just not the most aggressive sales. Lucas right here, 55 off of the Lucas. It's just crazy bright. Oh my God, I'm mad at myself because I forgot to check which one of these I have, because we've seen the black ones for hella cheap. Now the white ones, $70, $90 at full sizes. Damn, dude. Damn, I think I have this one. I don't think I have the black ones. I think I have this one. Maybe I have both. I'm gonna have to check when I get home. When I edit this, I better make sure I check. The AE2s, we've been seeing those on sale. I don't know why. They're the only ones with these. And they're the only ones with them on sale. That's just kind of crazy. Omni 2s. If you like 90s stuff, this is like iconic 90s stuff. This was like the dopest thing in the 90s. In my opinion, that was it, man. I swear when I was a kid, I liked those more than the Jordans. I thought those were doper than the Jordans. I still like them a crazy ton. So, yeah, I'm going to have to check when I get home. Yeah, everything else, like a little bit of sales. Same shoe, different price. Yeah, not the craziest.